we decide to buy a car or a house, we take a loan from the bank. Suppose we take a loan for purchasing a house. The bank keeps the house as collateral for the loan, and in case we fail to repay the loan, the bank can dispose the house to recover the unpaid loan. In the reverse scenario, when the bank takes a loan from us, which we call a deposit, we do not have any collateral. If for some reason the bank is not able to repay our deposits, what should we do to access our money? Who will help us? DICGC comes to our rescue. DICGC stands for Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. It is the safety net for bank deposits in India. Its mission is to contribute to financial stability by securing public confidence in the banking system through provision of deposit insurance, particularly for the benefit of small depositors. All commercial banks, cooperative banks are covered under DICGC. DICGC insures all deposits such as savings, fixed, current, recurring, etc. There are some exceptions. You can look into the DICGC website dicgc.org.in for details. DICGC provides to pay the depositors their hard earned money. Each depositor in a bank is insured up to a maximum of rupees 5 lakhs for both principal and interest amount held by him in the same right and same capacity as on the date of liquidation, cancellation of the bank's license, or the date on which the scheme of amalgamation, merger, reconstruction comes into force. The deposits kept in different branches of a bank are aggregated for the purpose of insurance cover, and a maximum amount of rupees 5 lakhs is paid. This limit is for deposit plus interest. It means if you have a deposit plus interest of less than 5 lakhs, you will get your money back. Your money is safe. But if your deposit plus interest is greater than 5 lakhs, you will get only 5 lakhs. We have witnessed in recent S Bank and PMC Bank crisis, the depositors could not access their money because it takes a few days to few months for the regulators to complete the investigation. To ease out this and for the benefit of depositors, the finance minister in the 2021 budget has proposed that depositors can get immediate access to their money up to rupees 5 lakhs without waiting for the investigators to complete the investigation. In order to safeguard our money, it is better to maintain multiple accounts with different banks, ensuring the deposit plus interest amount in each of them is less than 5 lakhs. This is in line with the saying, do not keep all your eggs in one basket. Please note, joint accounts are also considered as one account and the limit of rupees 5 lakhs applies. You can refer to the dicgc.org.in for all the details regarding the deposit insurance. Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.